Alessandra here from Paper Art Alessandra, and this is my graphics fairy design team project. So I decided to create a Christmas journal, and all of the images that I used for this journal are from the Graphics Fairy Premium membership site. So all of the images, they're beautiful, and I'm gonna make a list of all the kits that I used. And I used a antique French book cover, and there's all of this gold. It's beautiful, and I had to make another spine, a new spine. This is vintage lace, and this is the back. It's very pretty. So inside here there's this beautiful red page and more of the gold trim. And I created this duck spot, and I hand stitched this little red details, and I created this shaker. So I printed 2 of the snow globe images, and I cut it around the one in the front, and I added all the glitter and glue it in the back, so it's a shaker, but it's also a card, so you can write here in the back. Here it's a card, and this lovely charm. It's a candy cane, beautiful image of Santa. And this is one of the journaling cards that they move, and I created this. I just added a ribbon, and you can write in the back, and it's so cute. I love to make those moving, opening and closing and moving journaling cards. And this is a lovely angel image. I added ruffles, and here I created this window. I cut around this circle, and I added the Santa from one of the kits with a red background. And here on my computer I just added this little girl inside the frame and the green background, and I printed, and it's a flip. Here it's a card, and I added this little detail, and this is a vintage lace pocket, and here it's so cute. So this is a Christmas tree image, and I hand stitched all of this ribbon bows, and I added this top. It's a vintage sequin that I have, and I also added all of those little beads here on the edge. And this is a duck spot, and this is an ornament that I made, and you can write in the back, and you can use it here for the journal or some other place. And this is a duck spot. Here it's lovely. I love this snowman. So it's a card, a journaling card, and I added this snowflake charm, and here it's also a pocket, and you can write in the back, and I added a adhesive dot, and here it's a pocket. I added this little detail, and this is a Christmas ornament, and I left here plain, so the person who get the journal can write or put a picture, something like that. And this is the charm, another charm of the candy cane. And here this little girl, I thought she's lovely, So I wanted to make a flip with this image and this beautiful background page. And this is a bird card. You can write a lovely charm with a red stone. Here it's a lace pocket, and here it's a small envelope that I added a Santa in the front, and there's a tiny card inside. More of the ruffles, and here it's a little pocket, and this card is so beautiful. So this is one of the angels from the angel kit, and I removed her wings and I added this little berry plant here, and it's a journaling card. Here it's a lace, a little pocket, and here's the center. So I created another two moving cards. So there's those two little girls, and I added vintage tape in their backs and some vintage trim so they move, and I painted some gold stars in the back. And here it's a journaling card. Here it's a Christmas ornament. I added this image, and here it's a duck spot with a little detail, and this is another charm with beads, and here it's a pocket that I used some vintage fabric or lace, and it's another of the Christmas ornament that you can decorate. Here it's another little girl, and this one, it's lovely, the image. She has a dog, and you can open and write in the back with the beautiful background. And this is a snowflake little charm, and here it's a pocket, and this is another duck spot, the cat, the two kittens, and the dog. They're so cute. And this is a card that I created. I hand stitched all of the details. I added this vintage star, and this is a vintage wallpaper that I added also some more details. This is a little tuck spot. Here I painted the star on top of this beautiful image, and here on this page I created like a Christmas present, and this Christmas ornament with the image of a cat. Here it's another pocket, and another charm with this beautiful image of Santa. I added some gold, and I created this little pocket. This is a piece of vintage trim that I had, and here it's a journaling card, and I added some ribbon. And this is another flip, and two more flips here. I love to make the flips. So this page I created some I painted, they look like snowflakes, and those little kids, and you can open and close. And here it's another one that you can open and write in the back. Some more ruffles in the back. So this is my Christmas journal. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.